Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ADATA XPG Levante II 360. There is an innovative high performance dual chamber pump that delivers exceptional thermal efficiency, handling up to 320 watt TDP, making it ideal cooling solution for even the most demanding system. Whether you are gaming, streaming and creating, and this cooler ensure your CPU stay incredible cool and perform at its best under pressure. So friend, is a 3-in-1 pre-installed ARGB fan with simplified installation of the radiator by reducing screws and gravity, simplifying cable management, and thanks to the solid structure, it also provides a continuous captivating infinity mirror design, creative, a dazzling, and dynamic ARGB lighting experience that enhance the visual appeal of any PC build, which is also matching the design of the pump. In addition, the fan are designed to provide efficient, quiet cooling and noise level kept around 29 dBA, ensuring that your system remains silent even during instant load. With PWM pump and fan control, the system will adjust speed to optimize performance, ensuring that the cooler adapts to the need of your system without compromising on efficiency. So, friend, it's offers universal compatibility with a wide range of platforms including Intel LGA 1851, LGA 1700 and AMD AM5 socket. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.